Welcome to the Medicine Study channel. Today we are discussing physiology. Physiology is the branch of biology that focuses on understanding how living organisms, including humans, function at various levels, from the molecular and cellular to the organ and systemic levels. It is the study of the physical and chemical processes that enable organisms to carry out their essential life functions. Physiology encompasses a wide range of topics, including the functioning of organs and organ systems, cellular processes, and how these processes are regulated to maintain homeostasis, or the internal balance of the body. When we discuss the physiology of the human body, we must first understand the basic unit of the body, the cell. What is a cell? Cells are the basic units that make up all living organisms in the human body. Every cell contains a cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell that controls the movement of substances in and out. Cytoplasm is the liquid part of the cell, which contains many organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. The nucleus contains the genetic material of the cell, DNA. In the human body, the size of the cells varies by type, with typical cells ranging in size from 10 microns to 100 microns. For example, the smallest cell in the human body is the red blood cell, which is about 7.5 microns in diameter, while the largest cell is the female egg cell, which is about 120 microns in diameter. The number of cells in the body varies from person to person, but it is estimated that there are about 37 trillion cells in the adult human body. This number will vary with age and physical condition. In addition, different types of cells are present in different amounts in the body. For example, liver cells and muscle cells are present in greater numbers than other types of cells. Cells can aggregate to form a wide variety of tissues. Tissues are groups of similar types of cells that carry out specific functions. The human body is made up of various types of tissues. These tissues fall into four basic types: epithelial, connective, muscular, and neural. Epithelial tissue is the coating that covers the surface of the body and the lining of the cavities. Their functions include protection, secretion, and absorption. Epithelial tissue can be single or multilayered, and can be flat, cuboidal, or columnar in shape. Connective tissue is the most common type of tissue in the human body. It consists of cells and matrix. The matrix is a jelly-like substance that supports and connects tissues. The functions of connective tissue include supporting and protecting other tissues, such as bones and muscles. Muscle tissue can contract and generate force. The three types of muscle tissue include skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscles enable the movement and posture of the body. Smooth muscle plays a role in internal organs such as the digestive system, respiratory system, and blood vessels. Myocardium is the main part of the heart that pumps blood to all parts of the body. Nervous tissue is composed of neurons and glial cells. Neurons are the longest cells in the body, and they transmit nerve signals and information. Glial cells provide support and protection for neurons. Different kinds of tissues come together to form organs, and they work together to keep the body functioning properly. Common organs include the heart, lungs, liver, pancreas, kidneys, brain, and more. Each organ has a specific function and structure and can work alone or in cooperation with other organs. There are many different organs in the human body that can be combined into a variety of different systems that work together to perform specific functions. Common systems include circulatory system, consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body while removing waste products from the body. Respiratory system. Consisting of the nose, throat, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. It takes in oxygen, delivers it to the blood, and expels carbon dioxide from the blood. Digestive system. Composed of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus, it is responsible for digesting food into nutrients and transporting them to all parts of the body. Urinary system. Consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. It filters the blood and removes waste and excess water. Nervous system. Composed of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, it is responsible for receiving and transmitting information and controlling the activities of various parts of the body. Endocrine system. Composed of endocrine glands and secretory hormones. It is responsible for regulating the functions and metabolic processes of various parts of the body. Immune system. Consisting of white blood cells and lymphoid tissue. It is responsible for protecting the body from infection and disease. All systems and organs work together to form the whole human body. The skeleton of the human body is made up of bones, muscles that move the bones, and fat and other tissues that fill the voids in the body. The whole human body can survive and reproduce in the external environment, and maintain various functions of life. Human physiology is the study of the vital processes of the human body, including the normal functions of the body and the mechanisms of disease. Here are some basic concepts of human physiology. Cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Every cell has the basic structure and functions needed to sustain life. Metabolism. Metabolism is one of the fundamental processes of life. It includes processes such as absorption, transformation, and consumption of substances. Neurotransmission. Neurotransmission refers to the process of transferring information between neurons through electrochemical signals. This process includes processes such as excitation, conduction, and inhibition. Muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is the process of contraction of muscle fibers caused by nerve impulses, which is responsible for the movement of various parts of the body. Human physiology is an important basic subject in the medical field. By studying this subject, you can gain a deep understanding of the functions of the human body. This video provides a comprehensive introduction to the basics of human physiology in the order of cells, tissues, organs, systems, and the whole human body, covering the structure and function of cells, different types of tissues, major organs, and their functions, the role and interaction of different systems relationships, and the overall structure and function of the human body. I hope this video can help you to better grasp the basics of human physiology. In the videos that follow, we'll take a deep dive into what each system does and how it interacts. Let's start learning the human body and physiology together, and understand the mysteries of our bodies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More and more interesting videos are coming soon.